When it comes to satisfaction, penis size is not on the top of the list for most partners. They know that it's the motion of the ocean, so to speak, and not the size of the ship that makes the difference. Even so, a man with a small penis might worry about presenting his tool in the best possible light. While there is nothing that will truly make a penis bigger, there are some visual tricks that can help ensure that penis size appears to be much more generous than it really is. Penis size illusions. Here are some ways a man with a small penis can make himself look as though he has a much more impressive manhood. 1. Lose weight. Remember that when it comes to penis size, it's all a matter of perception. The larger the body, the smaller the penis will look in comparison. When a man is overweight, the penis is overshadowed. However, when he's overweight, there can also be a pad of fat right there above the penis, which can make it look as though the member is hiding or much smaller than usual. A man who loses weight is not gaining length, but he is making it look as though he has, which can be a serious boon to his confidence. 2. Shave the area. When the small penis is enclosed in a thick thatch of hair, it looks much smaller than it really is. And besides that, partners tend to enjoy a trimmed or shaved penis area, as it helps them enjoy all the sensations that come along with the pleasure of playing with it. Good manscaping can make the equipment look much bigger. 3. Choose the right condom. These protective devices are not created equal, and a savvy man with a small penis will know how to choose one. For instance, a guy who is a bit shorter in that area can look for condoms with ribs or bumps in a lengthwise direction, while a guy who needs more girth can look for ribs or bumps in the other direction. And importantly, never choose one that is too big. 4. Think about self-tanning. Tan lines can be a problem when a man is trying to make his small penis look bigger. A deep tan everywhere but there can make the penis look smaller. To alleviate this problem, achieve a tan through very gradual means, taking care to use the proper products to protect the skin along the way, as well as regular use of a good penis health oil after sun sessions. 5. Warm it up. A warmer penis has more room to stretch and thus might look bigger to an eager partner. Before presenting the equipment, step to the bathroom and wrap a warm, damp towel around the penis for a few minutes. This will help ensure that penis size gets as large as it can, as it helps open up the blood vessels and helps the tissue expand properly. 6. Keep the stance in mind. When first showing a partner the small penis, it's best if viewed from below. This always makes a penis look larger, and also provides a good look at the testicles, which some partners find just as arousing as the penis itself. Use a good penis health oil. No matter how well a man presents his penis to a partner, no matter what penis size concerns he might have, nothing makes a penis more handsome than keeping it healthy. That's why a man should always reach for a top-notch penis health oil. Health professionals recommend Man 1 Man Oil, which has been clinically proven mild and safe for skin. He should look for one that contains L-arginine for opening up the blood vessels and L-carnitine for boosting penis sensitivity that can be lost through rough handling. And as always, shea butter and vitamin E make a powerhouse duo that keeps skin smooth, supple, and attractive.